I have brought you really some beautiful fabrics today. And I mean, they're so pretty. Okay, so here we're going to start with, this is a black, and it's a black pant weight, jacket weight. It is like a Pontoroma, but it's not, and it's mostly cotton. There's a little bit of poly in there, but it's a beautiful deep black, has great drape, and just a lovely fabric. It ties in with this designer. This is a Pucci, and it is lovely. It is 100% viscose, has stretch in one direction, and just so pretty. All the colors, you've got your brown, just really earth tones with a little bit of lavender in there, but everything that's stylish right now. It is lovely. And of course I paired it with this. This is a cotton, again, a little bit of poly in it, but it's a stretch woven. It actually has stretch in both directions, but it is a woven. And you can see the pairing of these is just perfect. Isn't that lovely? It's just so pretty, that kind of burnt orange. And then we have this one, which is also a high-end designer from Italy. This one, I can't tell you the name, but you can see it works really well. This is a jacquard. It is mostly cotton. It has a little tiny bit of poly in it, but even the back side of it is really stunningly beautiful. But the colors in that are just really gorgeous. And that little navy I picked up, I brought in this. This is I just wish you could feel this and see this. It's beautiful. It feels like a silk. It's 100% cotton, but it's so soft and so lovely. It is a twill, so it kind of has a denim look to it. I mean, not close up, but they're two dark threads, obviously. Well, it's a black thread and a blue thread, so it just really is beautiful with any of these. And then I put in here a little cream, because the cream goes with both. This is like a little sweater knit. It's a cotton poly. But you can see it blends with that really well, and it blends with this really well also. So this is a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. Beautiful, beautiful gray drape. You can see, just really lovely. And those are just some really exciting fabrics. They're perfect for summertime. They'll go into fall because of what the fall colors are. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.